Do you think it is possible or is innovative and productive for an ex-con, a person that is being released maybe January, and then February, there he is at the school or in the public sector, motivating the society about his or her experience?
For me, it's too early, guys.
Yeah. Why is too early?
It's too early because let's say you spend 10 years in jail.
Yes.
Things happened there.
Yeah.
Things happened before you go to jail.
Yes.
Because you were not chosen as a good golfer.
Yeah.
For you to go to jail.
Yes. You committed a crime.
Exactly. You did bad things.
Yes.
You hurt people.
Yes.
Exactly. Even your family as well.
Yeah.
Emotionally.
Yes.
You hurt them. And then in jail, things happen.
Yeah. Gangsterism and so forth.
You almost fight, or you fight, all those things. And people are dying in your family while you are still doing your time. People are dying. Life is not stopping. Only your movie when it's stopping. Then Maupuma, I believe what you are called. You need to be healed in a way that you give yourself time to heal. You will feel when you are ready. Like I did. Amachita as panning as is poor. Just imagine if you give a drug addict a job today. We are going to go to your tenga and good.
And you're thinking you are helping.
You're thinking you are helping. Kanti umenza worse. Deala nale addiction yakhe kuqala. Then even nama ex-convict. Abadile ne addiction yabo kuqala ewi-criminality.
Or the criminality addiction.
Exactly. Deala ngoba bazokunika isipani uboshe futhi. Banginika isipani mina ngawisipusha. Banginika isipani egarage mina. Bengithela ama petrol half emotweni zabantu. We understand? Because that criminality,
that criminal mind, it's still there.
And now I want to cover the score. Ukuthi aboma orange bangishiyile. Mangiboshwa mina uma orange besingana next sonke. Manje sekathuna kwakhe. We understand? Siyabaseleka. Uyabona? Only to find as long as une roof. As long as ulala udlila abosisi bakho abomamkhulu bakuphakela mfowethu. Uyabona? Ungajahi kuyofuna ibhani. Uzomosha.
Or you need to heal first.
Thank you.
You spoke about an outdoor. Umnyango wokuphuma.
Okay.
Ngifuna elaborate the thing ukuthi lo mnyango okhuluma ngawo yini kahle kahle.
All right. Umnyango engikhuluma ngawo.
Ngoba giant doors phumile ngayo siyabaphumile soyahamba ngekhaya. Yes. Sengiseteksini sengisedladlini.
You see, ejele. Kuneminyango eminingi. Esisebenzisayo sonke. Ungenile ngawo lo mnyango wasejele. Uzophuma ngomnyango futhi ejele kunomnyango. Hence sila. Yabona? Ngihleli la nawe. Kubonakala ukuthi umnyango uphumile ngingaphuma ngawo wasejele. Enombolweni akunamnyango wokuphuma ke. Enombolweni.
Elaborate that ukuthi enombolweni akunamnyango wokuphuma. Are we explain ukuthi kanjani?
Bathi akukhona iminyango wokungena, which means bazo
mawusone stuka, a tattoo. So once that tattoo,
that's a gate.
It's in your skin.
Then you are inside.
It's an entrance.
Exactly.
And then you come out. It's still there.
Thank you.
Then you are not out.
Then you are not out.
Oh, that's the door you're talking about.
That is why bathi umnyango wokungena ngoba abayisole mawisola bayakubulala. Is the law of these gangsters. Mawisola bayakubulala.
Kusho ukuthi usayinile.
Usayinile.
Dead or alive.
Dead or alive. Usayinile. Then sesilanga ngaphandle manje. Uloko phakathi ngenombolo. That's why ubona amaGrootman ahamba nentwana ezincane mababuye ejele. Skip soqela intwana encane age we. Uyabona? Ukhuluma nalentwana. Ngoba uyintanga ye-time alalentwana. Umcela kanjani age? It shows ukuthi awukaphumi. Uba ne-anger i-chermitis akufoni. It shows futhi ukuthi awukaphumi. Ngiyazi ukuthi nomuntu ongakayi ejele uyayishaya imidi. but specifically laba the number. I-anger itrickeka simple. I-anger yalo muntu itrickeka simple. You understand? So sizobona lapho ukuthi ulitholile igate or akakalitholi. Why umuntu futhi ongakatholi igate uzomuzwa ngekhuluma inombolo ngaphandle.